In a vibrant, bustling land, the kingdom of Israel and the kingdom of Judah stand divided, a rift formed by betrayal and pride. The atmosphere is tense, palpable with the weight of decisions that will shape their future. In a valley where mighty armies clash, swords glinting under the sun, each side determined to assert its dominance. The fate of two kingdoms hangs in the balance, each soldier driven by loyalty to their king. As the battle rages, a lone figure, a prophet, stands apart, witnessing the chaos wrought by disobedience. With despair etched on his face, he calls out for unity and faith, reminding both sides of their shared heritage and the God they are meant to serve. We travel back in time to a lush green field where the story begins. Families gather in the warm embrace of sunlight, cultivating the land, raising crops, and nurturing their loved ones. Children laugh and play, embodying a simpler time of harmony and devotion to God. Guiding us through the days of old, of King Saul, the first ruler, who unites the tribes under a single banner, yet his reign is fraught with challenges and choices that lead to a gradual decline. As we move forward, King David emerges, anointed by God, whose heart beats for righteousness. We witness him dancing in worship, bringing the Ark of the Covenant to Jerusalem. Across jubilant faces, full of hope and faith. But even in this golden era, cracks begin to form as power and pride creep into the hearts of leaders. David's son, Solomon, builds a magnificent temple, yet his wisdom is overshadowed by an insatiable thirst for more, leading to alliances that stray from God's commands. Israel witnesses the division of the kingdom after Solomon's death. Then there became the split, with the northern kingdom's vibrant landscapes contrasting sharply with the southern kingdom's hopeful yet struggling fields. The kings of Israel prioritize power over God's commandments, worshiping idols and leading their people astray. Conversely, Judah holds on to remnants of faith but grapples with their own challenges. We observe the prophets rising during this tumultuous time, speaking words of warning and hope, urging the people to return to righteousness. The followers of Baal versus the lone prophet Elijah on Mount Carmel, the tension palpable in the air. As miracles unfold, we feel the gravity of faith against the backdrop of disbelief. The crescendo of battles, natural disasters, and the relentless call for repentance, ultimately leading to the moment we began with, where division spirals into chaos. Finally, no matter how great something is, pride can ruin it quickly. We move to modern-day settings where the lessons of the past resonate still. Individuals of different backgrounds gather, reflecting on the teachings of unity, obedience, and faith that echo through time. The importance of choosing righteousness, living out God's call in everyday life, fostering love among communities akin to the unity once experienced in the days of old. Families coming together in prayer, kindness, and unwavering faith, as this story reminds us that the divisions of the past should inspire us to pursue harmony today, and not every voice deserves your attention. Seek wisdom, not opinions that feed ego. When we put control above obedience to God, we lead ourselves and others away from truth. Thanks for watching. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next chapter in our Bible story series. Share this with someone who needs a little faith today. And I'll see you in the next story. God bless.